Hi, Carol here with Everspruce with another tips and tricks video. Today we're going to talk about the feature batch mode. So I'm actually filming in my master closet because I'm actually a collector of small leather goods. So I'm going to show you how to do batch mode with my small leather goods as the example today. So to use the batch mode, simply just log into the Everspruce app. So mine has taken me to items. I want to go to boxes, and where I store my small leather goods is in my top cabinet. So I'm going to select that box area, and then I'm going to click the plus button. And then you want to make sure the batch mode feature is highlighted. And then we're going to click add new item to this box. And then now I'm going to start taking pictures of all the items I want to add to this box. So here we go. I'm going to just start clicking all the things I want to add. Whoops, one fell. To this box. And then you can see all the pictures that I have taken are saved down here. I'm going to save, and now it's going to be in my task list. So now later I can go back and start labeling the items if I don't have time to do it now. So it's super fast, super efficient, super easy to use. And then when I'm doing another thing, watching a show, hanging out with my kids, I can quickly just go through my task list and start labeling everything. And then it will be displayed in the box area. I hope this was helpful. I'll be doing more tips and tricks videos soon. Thanks for watching.